Today we're using a star-shaped template to show off our Odif Grippy non-slip coating. I've sprayed the back of the template with the coating, and it still allows me to slide my template all over the fabric should I want to slide it. But when I'm ready to actually quilt, I exert a little pressure and it moves all of my fabric with me. Nothing easier now than to quilt my little star. First, bring up your bobbin thread. Then my little tie off, and again with the pressure so that the template doesn't move, which allows me to also go back in and cut those tails off, and I'm ready to quilt. I'm just exerting a little pressure and I'm making my presser foot go to the edge of my template. Moving in all directions is no longer a problem. And here we go. Star is finished.